All right, so today I'm going to show you how to set custom mirror tilt positions for your Tesla. This is a great new feature if you want your mirrors to automatically tilt to your preferred angles whenever you put the car in reverse. First, tap on the car icon on your screen to open the controls menu. Then navigate to mirrors to access all mirror settings. Once mirror auto tilt is enabled, select adjust tilted position. Manually adjust each mirror to the angle you prefer for reversing with the left scroll wheel on your steering wheel. This is helpful for seeing curbs, parking lines, or any objects lower to the ground. To test your new settings, put your car in reverse. Your mirrors should automatically move to the angles you set. Try a few positions if you need to fine tune and save the changes once you're satisfied. Make sure mirror auto tilt is enabled. This feature is essential for customizing your mirror angles for reversing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.